Hi everyone, this is a new pattern puzzle for upcoming exams. This is the given set now, and you are given 5 questions based on this, along with 5 options for each question. I am expecting you guys to solve this set in less than 15 minutes. Pause the video here, try to solve this one, and then get back to the video. Everything being explained here in detail. All the best. Okay, now let me explain you this set. You are given that there are 7 persons A to G, and they are working in a company, Trendy Motors. They are sitting in their respective cabins in a hall, which comprises of 81 cabins, 9 rows, 9 columns. Each of them has a different designation among CEO, Managing Director, Quality Inspector, Shift Supervisor, Production Head, Mechanical Engineer, and a Chartered Accountant. Each of them has an official intercom number to communicate among themselves. The intercom number is a 3-digit number in which the first digit represents their rank. So here we have to consider the first digit as the first left digit. The digit what you write at the leftmost is the first digit. Second and the third digits represent the row and the column in which their respective cabin is present. On a particular day, the SS, Shift Supervisor, observed that these 7 intercom numbers have exactly 3 factors each. C and the CA got the same set of digits in their intercom numbers, but C is not sitting in the first column. No other person is sitting in the row in which A and the PH are sitting. E, the MD, got a number in which all the digits are in ascending order, from left to right. The QI and the CEO have secured the same ranks in their respective projects. The QI and the SS are sitting in the same row. B and G are sitting in the same column, but neither of them is a mechanical engineer. F is not a PH and G is not a CA. So this is the given information. So these are the 5 questions what we have to answer. Now, let me pick some information from here and let me write it here. You are given some particular information about their intercom numbers. You have to understand this in order to solve this set. Intercom number is a 3-digit number in which the first digit from the left represents their rank, second digit represents the row, third digit represents the column in which their respective cabin is present. On a particular day, the SS observed that these 7 intercom numbers have exactly 3 factors each. So let me highlight this. These 7 intercom numbers have exactly 3 factors each. You have to understand this. Before getting into this, factor, what does it mean? As 3 5 times 15, 3 is the factor of 15 and 5 is the factor of 15. Let me give you another example. 16. 16 can be written as 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 are the factors of 16. If you observe this, only perfect squares will have odd number of factors. So why an odd number? Every time the given number will be expressed as product of 2 numbers. 1 into 16. 1 and 16 are 2 different numbers. 2 and 8 are 2 different numbers. But in this case, 4 when multiplied by the same number. So this is the reason instead of 2, you will get only 1 factor. So that is the reason every perfect square will have odd number of factors. And in addition to this, what kind of numbers have exactly 3 factors each? So only prime number squares will have exactly 3 factors. Let it be an example. 49 can be written as 1 into 49 and 7 into 7. So 1, 7 and 49 are the factors of 49. In the same way, in the given question, you are given that each number should have exactly 3 factors. So the given question is about prime number squares. And you are given that the intercom number is a 3-digit number. So all the given 7 numbers should be 3-digit numbers and each number should be a prime number square. How many such numbers exist? Exactly 7. From 121 to 961. So these are the prime squares which consists of 3 digits each. In order to solve this question, let me prepare a table this way. Name of the person, I will write their name here, designation here and number here. Let me start with this one. These are their intercom numbers. Let me choose a condition from the given information. C and the CA got the same set of digits in their intercom numbers, but C is not sitting in the first column. If you observe this, the third digit represents the column in which they are sitting. You are given that C and the CA got the same set of digits in their intercom numbers. So, I can definitely say that C and CA should get these two numbers in any order, 169 and 961. And you are given that C is not sitting in the first column. So, third digit of C should not be 1. So, this is not C. So, this person should be C and this person should be CA. Now, let us go with another condition. Let me pick this condition of E, the MD. So, E is the MD. Got a number in which all the digits are in ascending order from left to right. Do we have any such kind of number here? Yes, we have two such numbers, 169 and 289. But I know that E is the MD, but we have placed C here. So this person should not be E. So this is the only possibility what we have. So E, the MD, and he has got 289. Now let us go with another condition. The QI and the CEO have secured the same ranks in their respective projects. QI and the CEO have secured the same ranks in their respective projects. Same rank. That's about the first digit. So first digit of QI and CEO should be the same. So this is the only possibility what we have. So QI or CEO, CEO or QI. Let me write it this way. In addition to this, let us go with this condition now. No other person is sitting in the row in which A and the PH are sitting. So A and PH are sitting in a particular row in which you should not observe the third person in the same row. So where can I place these two members now? No other person is sitting in the row in which A and the PH are sitting. The second digit represents the row. So this is A and this is PH, as this is 2 and this is 2. This is the only possibility what we are left with. Let us go with this condition now. We have some more information about QI. The QI and the SS are sitting in the same row. As QI and SS are sitting in the same row, I know that exactly one between these two is a QI. And I know that the second digit represents the row. So where should I place SS now? If you consider A as QI, he is sitting in the second row. So even SS should sit in the second row. So can I place SS here? No. Which itself says that A should not be the QI. So C has to be the QI, and this is the place what we are left with to place SS. So this is the only profession what we are left with, this person should be a mechanical engineer. Let us go with another condition now. B and G are sitting in the same column, but neither of them is a mechanical engineer. F is not a PH and G is not a CA. Let me write it here. B and G are sitting in the same column, but neither of them is a mechanical engineer. So I cannot place B and G here. But we know that they are sitting in the same column. So last digit should be the same. Now my question is, have you observed this? The row and the column for these two digits are the same. Is it possible? Of course yes. Let us assume that one between these two have attended the morning shift and the other will be attending the afternoon shift. That's a possibility. Now, B and G are sitting in the same column, but neither of them is a mechanical engineer. So where should we place the two members B and G? This is the only possibility what we have. So exactly one between these two is B and the other is G. And you are given that F is not a PH and G is not a CA. As F is not a PH, this person should be F. As G is not a CA, this person should be B now. You are left with only one person, so this person should be D. Now let us answer questions based on this. Let me start with the first question. What is the difference between the numbers allotted to E and F? I know the value of E, I know the value of F. So your answer will be difference between these two, which gives you 552. Let us look at the second question. How many among them are sitting in the 7th row? No one. As the second digit represents the row, no one is sitting in the 7th row. So your answer will be C. Who among them is a quality inspector? I know that C is the quality inspector. So it's C again. What is the intercom number of B? You can answer even this question. It's 961. Who among the following are sitting in the same column? A and C. So last digit of A is 1, last digit of C is 9. So my answer should not be A. E and F. Last digit of E is 9, last digit of F is 1. So even these two should not sit in the same column. B and C. Last digit of B is 1 and last digit of C is 9. So even BC is not my answer. Even GE is not my answer. So your answer will be none of the above. So we are done with a new pattern puzzle. Here are some suggestions for you. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.